As an investing coach and an investor myself, when I say stay grounded in the fundamentals, I basically mean we don't all need to be experts, but we need to have an understanding of where we're investing, why we're investing, and what returns we're expecting from these investments. Being rooted in the fundamentals is being able to manage the risks that come with the investments that we are in, and also looking at ways to maximize the returns. Asking ourselves, how do I diversify? Where can I diversify? Understanding these fundamentals also gives us ability to identify new investment opportunities, and not just identify but seize those opportunities that align with our investment philosophy and contribute to our long-term wealth creation. So as your investing coach, mine is to encourage you, cultivate that mindset that values the fundamentals and integrates them into your investment approach. Start by prioritizing financial literacy. Get to know all that you can about what you're investing in. Stay informed. Webinars, podcasts, financial literacy sessions, all those. And as well, embrace a disciplined approach when it comes to investment strategy. Stay disciplined and commitment to investment strategy. What are the benefits you're likely to see when you stay grounded in your investment fundamentals? It is avoidance of the Ponzi schemes and the pyramid schemes, and the growth that you will see in your portfolio, and the returns that you will get from this as well.